is Jessica Kiernan, and I'm a certified personal trainer and certified sports nutrition consultant. I've been in the fitness industry for over 10 years now and loving every second of it. I just launched a new website called petersmith.com, and it's basically for me to give back to the community and give back to everyone who doesn't have the time or the money, I should say, to buy DVDs, workout videos, go to the gym, things like that, have a personal trainer, have a nutritionist. What I'm finding is that it is super expensive and getting super pricey, and there's lighting equipment you need, there's cameramen you have to pay, and lots of equipment that you need. So I'm just seeing if anyone out there would like to help out in me doing this venture. And if you would like to help out, please send me an email at jess@jessicakiernan.com, and I will get right back to you. And we appreciate any help or anything you'd like to do to help out. Thanks so much for listening.